Okay, for your fourth forum here, what I've done is had you read two books, sections of two books. One is John Stuart Mill's Utilitarianism, in which he actually explains what the principle of utility is, and it's been supplemented quite nicely by the Harvard lectures that I gave you from Michael Sandel. That are quite good, I would say. And John Stuart Mill's On Liberty, too, where he actually does a utilitarian political philosophy. Now, your forum, the principle of utility asks you to calculate the greatest good for the greatest number. Right? That would lead you to believe that this calculating system would be that which reigns absolute. But On Liberty, on your page 5, he says there is a limit to the legitimate interference of the collective opinion with the individual independence, and to find that limit and maintain it against encroachment is indispensable to a good condition of human affairs as protection against political despotism. Right, so effectively what Mill wants to do is set up a limit to utilitarian calculations as pertains to, the protection of the individual from the collective. Right, this would appear to present sort of a contradiction to utilitarian philosophy. Right, or within Mill's utilitarian philosophy, privately utility is the ultimate court of appeals, right? But politically, Mill finds it necessary to limit these utilitarian calculations, right? So largely what I want you to do is engage with this and have a debate. Right, and through this debate, you'll learn all sorts of things about arguing utilitarianism in this manner, right? But have a debate about whether or not this actually presents itself as a contradiction within Mill's philosophy. I think it's an interesting one, and wildly distinct to the position that we saw in Immanuel Kant, right, where duty is the principle that stands behind the action and not the outcome of the action, right? And in terms of its moral worth. So I hope you enjoy that one. Again, I look forward to reading your responses, and have fun.